City College's Iba Campus Web. This is Citizen Enterprise, your student news authority, ready to deliver your dose of engaging, empowering, and eye-opening campus news.
Good morning, world citizens.
This is Royal Yosinaban,
And this is Raymond Sabado,
your guides to the news that matter. For the headlines, World City College's Iba Campus offers new course PS Tourism Management Program.
student teachers reflected on growth when finalizing requirements.
Might Eagles soared finals with stronger strategy and the score.
Crushing Rhino Flawless Mighty Eagles to reach dominant victory.
Rising cost of education threatens equal opportunity. World City College's Iba Campus offers new course PS Tourism Management Program. To give you the full details of the news, here is Raymond Sabado.
World City College's Viva Campus proudly launches a new course under the Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management program, starting school year 2025 to 2026. This new course gives more opportunities to students who dream of working in tourism, hospitality, or becoming flight attendants. It offers practical training in communication, confidence building, and professionalism to help students prepare for exciting careers in airlines, hotels, and travel companies. This is Raymond Sabado reporting.
The students of college education in WCC IPA prepared their final requirements and cleared their goals for their upcoming graduation and careers. For the details, here is Missy Valdez.
Each year, a cohort of Ontario graduates for their hands-on practicals, late-night lesson planning, and seeking completeness for equity and education. Our boys who enter up the hungry for fresh voices. In concrete reflection, they share their voices for hopeful graduate careers. To inspire curiosity, reach opportunity costs, and reimagine learning in a rapidly changing world.
Ang teacher ko sa pagiging estudyante sa WCC ay puno ng hamon para ang mga kadalasang hindi ko nalimutan. Nagsimula ako bilang isang simple estudyante may pangarap, hindi ko sigurado sa direksyon pero hanggang matuto. Sa bawat semester, dumaan ako sa iba't ibang uri ng pagsubok. Wala lang sa academics. Sa personal na buhay ko ay naging sa sarili kong disiplina.
This is Missy Valdez reporting.
Don't change the channel, we'll be right back after a quick break.
Ready to start your journey? Visit our website at worldcity.net. And do that PH for World City College. Give back to learn more about our programs and enroll today. WCC, where your future begins.
And we're back for the sports news. The Mighty Eagles soars once again, delivering a dominant 372 to 155 win over the reigning Capitals in the struggle semifinals. Here is Christine Rodriguez for the details.
The Eagles more than pleasant colors to people. They played with great sweetness and shakeable flavor. Missy Valdez, a fearless leader of the college education, now synonymous with great goal. Our fearless birthday, sharp strategy, and happy to try under pressure. The Mighty Eagles are one victory away from series the rest. This is Missy Valdez reporting.
Next, crushing rivals follows Mighty Eagles reach dominant victory. Here is Sarah Carlacan for the details.
There was secret anticipation as the Mighty Eagles stepped onto the court. The race to crushing rivals in what was still as long as most seasons awaited Badminton Duels. With the final whistle, there was no doubt who owns the spotlight. The Mighty Eagles soaring to a dominant 21-8 victory that left us rolling in the right field. This is Sarah Carlacan reporting.
Check, it's currently 9:43 in the morning. For editorial news, rising cost of education threatens equal opportunity. Here is Sherwin Berniblet for the details.
Progressive competition is pushing higher education upgrades when students and families across the country. What was once seen is now becoming a burden, threatening to widen the gap between the privilege of the less fortunate. When education becomes a privilege instead of right, we must future leaders, innovators, and change makers. By making education accessible, we invest not just in individuals, but in the future of our entire society. This is Sherwin Berniblet reporting.
For the recap, World City City College's IMA campus offers 2 course PS Tourism Management Program.
Students' teachers request include loan financing requirements.
Mighty Eagle Sword finals with Swagger, Strategy, and the Star.
Crushing Rayo Falls, Mighty Eagles finish dominant victory.
Rising cost of education threatens equal opportunity. From the stories that inform
To the voices that inspire.
Brad Yokinaba,
And brilliantly Sabado,
bringing clarity to the issues that matter most. Reporting from Grove City College's IMA campus.
citizen, citizen, educate.
Free student use authority. Stay engaged, empowered, and